G'day guys, I know it's been a while since I've come back here on YouTube, but I just came back from the most exciting weekend I've had in a very long time. And no, I did not go over with a girl. In fact, however, I did do a couple riding sessions with CSS, aka California Superbike School. Before we do get started, I want to express my thanks to all the motorbike coaches out there for their invaluable guidance and support, helping me become a better and knowledgeable, skilled rider. Fatty and Dave, I'm talking about you guys specifically here. Once again, I really appreciate your work, and I'm not gonna let what you guys told me go to waste. Now, I won't lie, that whole weekend was a whole new experience for me. I've never put on a motorbike suit before. I've never even set foot on a track. I've never even ridden a track motorbike before. Having said that, I've been riding for 3 to 4 years now, and I have very little riding skill. And as a result, I've had some very close calls with death due to my lack of riding knowledge and skill. That all changed this weekend, all right? I'm a bit better now. CSS offers 4 levels. I, however, did level 1 and level 2 over the weekend. Each level offers 5 drills, which you will be taught in a classroom. From then, you'll be out on the actual track, performing and learning that drill. You'll also be accompanied by a coach who will examine and critique you the entire time. I started off doing throttle control. That was my first drill for level 1. I was lucky enough to get to ride this insane Kawasaki ZX6R track spec, by the way, which you guys will see right now in this clip. Alright, let's do this. We got the clear visor on. So this is GP shifting, by the way, guys. So the drill for today is, well, at the moment right now, they're just giving us an orientation. Just 2 laps around the track so we're familiar with what the track looks like, what to expect at each corner. But the drill today we're doing is throttle control. We've been asked to do this drill simply without brakes. Sounds crazy, right? Not to use brakes at all. I mean, I know I was pretty scared at first. I used to be so reliant on my brakes, and so you should be in certain types of situations. But for this drill specifically, learning how to master throttle control without relying on brakes helps you become more skilled and confident at riding. I know for a fact, after doing level 1, which was pretty much based around throttle control, it gave me a better understanding of how motorcycle behavior works. Here we go. This is dope. Oh yeah, man. I'm definitely kind of glad that they're doing the orientation. It's all about safety at the end of the day. So yeah, we're doing a couple orientation laps, and then I should be appointed to a coach right afterwards, where the coach will then actually be watching me from behind, examining how I actually ride. And afterwards, when this session's done, we'll sit down with the coach and he'll pretty much tell me what I need to work on, things to improve on, essentially. So the goal is to not use the brakes at all. And we can't overtake because this is not a race. We're here just to learn. And you know what I'm most keen about as well, using this footage later on in the future to track my progress. Yep, that's 100% correct. I want you guys to take note of where I started and where I'm going to leave off at the end of the video. You'll see there's a big improvement on how confident I am with my motorcycle and how I ride on the actual track.
definitely getting a lot more comfortable using I haven't used brakes at all, by the way, guys. Like, this is purely just predicting my corners, you know, throttle control. Exactly what I need to work on as well, man. But I still had this barrier of fear, which isn't letting me like get as smooth as possible because I'm so afraid. That's why I keep jumping throttle. Whatever. There's only one way to get better, and that's practice. So we're heading back now to the pit lane, and we're just gonna have a chat with the coach. Coaches are gonna tell us what we need to improve on. Bike revs so high. But yeah, I'm pretty comfortable with the GP shifting now, which is good. Alright, now I'm gonna park up and I'll see you guys in a bit.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the first session. Now for the sake of this video, I can't show you every single drill and every video I did for the drill because it would just take too long. I'm sure you guys wouldn't want to sit here and watch me explain every drill. You guys need to go do it for yourself, that's for sure. Day 1 was level 1. Now we're gonna move on to level 2, which is my last day at Broadford. So that way you guys can see my progress from the start of level 1 to the end of level 2.
Alright. Here we go. I don't want to go too hard yet, maybe do one lap just to warm up the tires a bit, and we can definitely go a bit harder. Confident, holy shit.
I want to pause real quick, just real quick again. I want to now play level 1 first session at this exact same corner, and then I'm going to play level 2 on the last session at the same corner, and I want you guys to see the difference. Please note that I know there's a lot of improvement that needs to be made, but you can see the progression. That's my point.
then. I'm just trying to really focus here, guys.
That concludes this entire video today. So just a summary, we did level 1, level 2. You guys just saw the first session of level 1 and the last session of level 2. Main reason why I wanted to show you that is so that you guys can see what progress looks like. Now, obviously, a lot of improvement needs to be made, but it's still progress. But that's not the reason why I made this video. The reason why I made this video is because before I considered doing the riding lessons at CSS, I was quite hesitant because I didn't think I'd get anything out of it. I was so blinded by the value you can get out of it. It was only after I finished level 1 and 2 I realized how much a lot of learner riders these days are missing out on this crucial information. You can buy all the gear you want, but gear is only part of the equation. It's the knowledge you have up here from riding that's also going to save your life. So if you guys are also interested in doing the same class as I did, hit the link down below and book your session in now. I recommend booking it in as soon as possible because these guys are always booked out and they're booked out for a reason.